Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I will share to you my version of lasagna. The easiest way, the simplest way, and of course, the cheapest way. Okay, so here's my ingredients. Of course, we have lasagna. And then of course, we have cheese. I have Eden cheese and Magnolia Quickmelt. Alam nyo, ang key for our lasagna is to have lots of cheese. So cheesy. And of course, for my sauce, I use the Fiesta sweet with Parmesan cheese spaghetti sauce. And of course, we have the Nestle cream served as the white sauce. And this one is served as the red sauce. So, easiest way and cheapest way by Fiesta. Mas cheaper than the other brand as well. Hindi na tayo gagamit ng ketchup, tomato paste, or other red sauce. Ito ng spaghetti sauce gagamitin natin for our lasagna. And of course, we have the ground beef. Then lots of chopped onions. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. So first step guys, pakukuluan ko muna ang ating ground beef para maluto siya before we saute or before natin igisa. So, medyo frozen ang aking ground beef, kaya ganyan. So, hayaan na lang natin maluto. And then, at the same time, magpapakulo na rin tayo ng water for our lasagna. It's boiling! So, ilagay na natin guys ang ating lasagna. So, pinutol ko yung ating lasagna. Yan. So, it's your choice na lang kung puputulin nyo, kakat nyo into half or buo, okay? So, let it boil for siguro 5 to 10 minutes. Basta wag lang overcook, okay?
A few minutes later.
Lasagna natin guys, don't overcook. Mas masarap yung medyo, matigas-tigas pa. I-ano nyo siya sa tap water. Banlawan nyo siya sa running water. Para hindi siya dumikit. Ayan. Okay, let's check our meat. Ayan, luto na. As you can see, lumalabas na rin yung oil ng ating ground beef. So, no need for me to put oil. And let's put our chopped onions. Plenty of chopped onions. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng garlic on my lasagna. But, kung sa inyo guys, gusto nyo maglagay ng garlic, it's okay. Ako, enough na sa akin ang onion for my lasagna. And then, I will put na rin our salt. And then, of course, pepper. Sorry kung lagi akong nag-of course. Siyempre. Okay, and then, let's put our spaghetti sauce, sweet style. Gusto kasi ni Vince medyo matamis-tamis ang lasagna. Kaya I use this one, the sweet Fiesta spaghetti sauce. Lalagyan natin ng konting water. Simutin natin yung sauce from the sachet. Ayan. So let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then, all done ang ating sauce. Then, let's move. Then, let's layer our lasagna. Tama ba? Layer. Simply, we will do the next step. Diba? Yan yung right thing. Okay? See you later. Okay, so let's prepare our lasagna. Ito na ang ating pasta, lasagna, boiled. And then of course na naman, no? Yung ating red sauce. And here's our Nestle cream. The grated cheddar cheese. And mamaya i-grate ko din yung Quickmelt natin. Siya yung pang-top ko, toppings. Okay, so this is how I layer my lasagna. First, the sauce. Then last to put our Quickmelt cheese. So better guys if you use Quickmelt as toppings to your lasagna. Because we will bake our lasagna. Excited na ba kayo? Pinaka-excited dito ay si Vince. Favorite niya to lasagna. All-time favorite. Okay guys, so let's bake our lasagna for 30 minutes or it depends on your oven, okay? Okay, so let's bake our lasagna for 30 minutes sa 200 degrees Celsius. See you later!
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Let's cool down guys. And let's slice for a few minutes. Let's taste. Okay, let's try. Saan ko kakat? Dito na lang. Try nyo na guys. Gawin ito at home. For your loved ones, for your kids.
Wow!
Oh, yummy. Ay! Sorry guys, sabi ko na madudulas Alam ko na to, expected ko na kasi to. Ayan. See? So creamy. Dahil sa Nestle cream na nilagay din natin. Instead of mag-create pa kayo ng ng white sauce nyo, why not simply the Nestle cream? Okay, you can just put the Nestle cream and I assure you, so yummy. And then, yeah, no need to experiment the sauce, the red sauce. Just try na yung instant spaghetti sauce. Okay na yun, guys. Yummy. Okay, so kakain na kami ni Vince. So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Hope magustuhan yung aking version ng lasagna in a simplest way, easiest way, and in a cheapest way. Thank you guys. Bye for now. God bless. Keep safe, and sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time guys. Bye. Thank you. God bless.